가스한번 넣고.
Introducing the Guard Dog AccuFire, the first keychain pepper spray with laser sight. Conveniently sized, the AccuFire goes where you go. With a patented design, the spray gets full exposure compared to other flawed designs that cause leakage. Precise protection when you need it most. The AccuFire is equipped with a built-in laser to give you the aim you need in high-stress situations. When you need pepper spray most, your target may be missed. Bridge the gap between uncertainty and confidence. Be prepared, be empowered with the revolutionary Guard Dog AccuFire pepper spray, available at retailers worldwide.
Hello everyone, here we have the Exotac MATCHCAP. This product is designed to do just about everything that a MATCHCAP can do. On the bottom it has a abrasive striker used for strike anywhere matches. Inside the cap it has the phosphorus striker used for kitchen matches, NATO matches, the REI, extended length storm-proof matches. Externally on the MATCHCAP you'll notice that it has some pretty nice construction. Has a pretty unique knurl and just some nice external features. The lanyard holder has enough room to actually loop it around twice and do one of these. You can do obviously whatever you want with it. Inside the MATCHCAP you'll find the O-ring and you'll find the red phosphorus striker. In here you'll find the matches, of course, and it's hard to tell, but the inside of the MATCHCAP is actually tapered, and that allows the match head, which is typically bigger, to fit down in the bottom, and it allows more matches to fit, primarily because this O-ring and these thread features take up more space. So it works pretty simply. Just grab a match, grab a hold of the MATCHCAP, and strike away. That's all there is to it.
The UST Spark Force is a compact, reliable flint-based fire starter that generates sparks in wet or windy conditions. The Spark Force ignites a wide variety of tinder, including UST wet fire tinder, and the striker is built into the detachable cap to protect the flint and prevent unintended sparks. The Spark Force is contained in a highly durable ABS plastic case and is small in size, so it is easy to fit in packs or kits.
Is the Origin a survival kit, a multi-tool, a waterproof storage case? Actually, it's all of those things. More durable than a survival kit, more functional than a multi-tool, and more useful than a storage case. When you can't tolerate gear failure, the Origin is your kit. Survival tins can rust, and survival pouches can puncture or tear, but the Origin, made from durable ABS plastic and overbuilt where it counts, holds up to abuse after abuse. Inside the case, and protected by a machined silicone waterproof gasket, you have a collection of essential survival tools, including waterproof and windproof Tinder-Quick fire-starting tinder, stainless steel wire, and nylon cord, great for rigging shelter or repairing gear. Under the lid, wilderness expert Buck Tilton's survival instructions provide 62 tips and tricks, ranging from building a shelter to using fire to signal rescuers. On the other side of the lid, we've added a flip-up rescue flash signal mirror with a retro-reflective aimer that can send a signal up to 10 miles away. Flip the Origin over for the one-hand operable Firelight Sparker, a liquid-damped compass for navigation, and a removable multifunction knife. The drop point knife blade is AUS 8 steel, an alloy we chose specifically for its hardness and edge retention. In the base of the knife is a 100 decibel signal whistle, and the front of the handle has an LED light that shines down the blade for task cutting in low light. The Origin is the first of its kind, but the only thing that will matter to you when you're surviving outdoors longer is that the Origin works when other gear fails.